aa.com.tr. Oil prices down with cyber-attack-induced demand curb in some U.S. refineries. Georgia-based Colonial Pipeline promptly shut down on Friday after ransomware hackers broke into some of its networks. Cyber Morrow, the 11th of May 2021. Ankara. Oil prices slipped on Tuesday after a cyber attack forced a key U.S. refined products pipeline system, the Colonial Pipeline, to temporarily shut down its network, forcing down oil demand. International benchmark Brent crude was trading at 67.81 US dollar per barrel at 0746 GMT for a 0.74% decrease after closing Monday on 68.32 US dollar a barrel. American benchmark West Texas Intermediate WTI was at $64.43 per barrel at the same time for a 1.82% fall after it ended the previous session at 65.63 US dollar a barrel. The US largest pipeline carries 2.5 million barrels a day of diesel, gasoline, and jet fuel. After ransomware hackers broke into some of its networks on Friday, demand was curbed due to disrupted refinery production in the region. The production decrease in some refineries that are fed from the Georgia headquartered pipeline also forced supplier firms in the area to reduce output. French oil giant Total announced a 225,500 barrel reduction in a 225,500 barrel reduction in gasoline production at the Port Arthur refinery due to the pipeline outage. The largest oil refinery in the U.S., Motiva in Port Arthur, Texas, which processes over 600,000 barrels of oil per day, halted operations due to the attack. The pipeline company's website is currently offline, although it is expected to substantially restore operational service by the end of the week. Without directly mentioning the Colonial Pipeline, a group calling itself Darkside, a Russian cybercrime gang, released a statement Monday saying its goal with the attack was to make money and not create problems for society. In his remarks at the White House on Monday, U.S. President Joe Biden declared there is no evidence that Russia is responsible for the attack, but said it has some responsibility to deal with this. The U.S. government also issued emergency legislation on Sunday, and a total of 18 states have been granted a temporary hours of service waiver to transport gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and other refined petroleum products by road.